Nature is so beautiful, like real love. As vibrant as the trees and the grass, the sunlight shining upon the lake. You will also spot geese and people fishing. But I'm here to remind you to stay on that path. Stay positive and focus on the serious matters.
You still got them in the video anyway.
So, the word for today is levity. Levity is the treatment of serious matters with humor, lightheartedness, or a lack of appropriate seriousness. Levity boosts mood by reducing stress, offering a mental break from society.